Let me start the Jenkins server. Start the instance. Select start instance. Okay, so let me start the server. Started the server. Let me log into the box.
Your screen is not visible.
Not visible.
No.
Let me share it again.
Visible, sir. Visible.
Visible.
Okay, from my side, I think it's
From
problem.
side.
I will rejoin.
Okay. Okay, let me log into this. Into IP address :8080. Continue to the site. So today, now it's visible to you.
Yeah, it's visible.
So what we're trying to discuss today means, yesterday we're going through, right, Jenkins multi-branch pipeline. Today we're going to discuss Jenkins multi-branch pipeline. So the name itself is there. What is multi-branch? Multiple branches. So far what we learned, where in freestyle project also and pipeline project also, all we are triggering from master branch only. By default we'll be triggering from the master branch only. But now what we're trying to do means, so there could be some branches will be there in the GitHub, right? Like dev branch, QA branch, staging branch, master branch, like that will be there. So we used to write Jenkins files in the GitHub. So we used to keep, for example, if at all you want to deploy it on the dev servers, then dev branch we have, right? In the dev branch, we have to put up the Jenkins file. Similar way QA branch, similar way master branch, staging branch. Like that, we'll create individual branches and we used to keep individual Jenkins files over there. So if you run this multi-branch pipeline, what will happen means, at the same time, first it will deploy it on the dev, then QA, then staging, and then with production. All together it will happen in a single moment. Okay, that is called as a multi-branch pipeline. This multi-branch pipeline project type enables you to implement different Jenkins files for different branches of the same project. I mean, project is same project, but there could be different Jenkins files. In a multi-branch pipeline, Jenkins automatically discovers, manages, and executes pipelines for branches which contains Jenkins files in the source control. That means we used to keep this on the GitHub, and from the GitHub we could able to recall that. That's what we need to see that. Let me check that. First I let to log in. Let's wait for a while. It's trying. Let me go to manage Jenkins. So system, under the system, under the system, let me come down, change the URL, apply, save. Okay, now it's saved. Let me go to new item. So here I'll write multi-branch pipeline, 6 p.m. I'll select. If you come a little bit down, can you guys see multi-branch pipeline is set? Choose that, click on create. Name, description, then here branch sources are there, right? Here you can select git. Then under the git, here we need to put the repository. So we need to copy paste the repository. Let me check the repository. For 6 p.m. I think we didn't create any files here, right? Jenkins files we don't have. Let me do one thing. I'll copy paste this from different repository. Multiple ones are there. This is public. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna share this with you guys. You can treat this. This is having Jenkins files. You can guys see here Jenkins file is there. In different branch also Jenkins file is there. Yeah, like that. Okay. I'll share this with you guys only. You guys also can able to use the same thing. This URL can be used. You can directly access this one. If you enter this URL, you can get into the GitHub only. Okay. So then come a little bit down. J capital Jenkins file. J capital Jenkins file we required. Periodically not required old guards 1 day and 3 lakhs I'll keep. Then all good. I can apply and save. Now master is printed. Okay. What about other? Okay, I'll gonna do now scan multi-branch pipeline now is there, right? I'll scan that. Then pipeline log, if I click on, this is going to show us here Jenkins in QA branch, Jenkins file not found. In master branch it found. Then feature branch not found. Dev branch it's found. Okay, 2 branches only it's found. No change detected. Okay, so now it was run successfully. We can go back and we can check the status. Failed. Why it's failed? Changes. Console output. Console output. It was failed. Need to check that why it's failed. Okay, I'm a bit minus y is causing the problem. Okay, so that means I need to correct this one. I'll correct it here in the dev Jenkins file. M output minus y. Where did you give an m output minus y? So here, okay, minus y. Instead of this, I'll give m install tree. Then commit the changes. Commit it. Similar way, in master branch also I'll check and I'll do the changes. M output minus y. Here also same problem. PHP. Let me rerun it now. One time it's run, it's failed. Let me rerun it. Second time it's didn't run. This time it's running. This will wait. It's going on, but just keep on rotating. We'll wait for one while. Let me open this and we'll see. Successful. Why it's not updated here? Okay, updated now. It's successful now. Can you guys see? Only 2 branches only having Jenkins file. You can look at here. Let me go back. Can you guys see here? Master branch. I mean master. Can you guys see Jenkins file? Then dev branch. We have Jenkins file. I'll go to feature one. Look at, there is no Jenkins file. QA, no Jenkins file. Now what I'll do means I'll create some file, create a new file. I'll give the file name Jenkins file only. What I'll do means yesterday we have the code, right? I'll copy paste that code. Maybe this code I'll copy paste it. Then commit the changes. Commit the changes. Similar way, yesterday we wrote 2 codes, right? One is for a pipeline, declarative pipeline, one is for scripted pipeline. One more, I'll create one more branch. One more branch I'll create. One more branch I'll create. One more branch I'll create. Where is view all branches? We'll get an option. New branch is there. Right? I'll create one more branch name called hotfix. Create new branch hotfix. Then we can do here branch hotfix. Here Jenkins will already there, but I'll edit that. I'll change the content. This was copied from master. I'll just remove this. I'll put this content, commit the changes, commit it. Now if I go back and if I run the Jenkins file, I mean this one, if I run it here now against Scranton pipeline, then logs. If I look at now two more should appear now. Two more should appear. That means can you guys see here? Dev, hotfix, master, QA. All three also, four also came up now. But we need to verify whether it was run successfully or not. We need to verify. We can see build queue here. Multi-branch pipeline 6 p.m. QA is running and hotfix is also running. It will take some time.
So in multi-branch pipeline, it will whatever file name we give with that respect to that it.
Whatever the branches in the Jenkins file is found in that particular branch, multi-branch pipeline will automatically scan that branches and it will going to execute. Because do you remember, did any place of the master multi-branch pipeline do you define the branches? This is master QA, this is dev, like that you mentioned anywhere?
No.
No, but how it picked up all the branches? Total I have 5 branches, but why it pick only 4 branches?
So whatever we specified their Jenkins file name.
We specified Jenkins file, correct? Wherever the Jenkins file is there, that only it will picked up. So in another branch, feature 1 branch, there is no Jenkins file. See, Jenkins file is not there in this one. So not found. 404 not found. That's the reason it's not created. It's not executed also. Correct. Let me. I think build is clear. Let me get inside this and we'll see successful. You can see. If I go back, all successful. You can see.
So in this, whatever branches Jenkins files is there, it will select those branches and it will execute the Jenkins files, whatever code in the Jenkins files, correct?
Exactly.
Okay.
Any questions? Are we good?
No questions. Yeah.
Okay. Now think logically. So whatever the branches are there, those only reflecting here. But can you guys see this? What is S here? Status of the last build. S means status of the last build. Then what is this W?
Weather report.
Weather report. So that means what is the symbol then?
Cloud.
This is cloudy. Cloudy. This is sunny.
Sun.
Cloudy, sunny. So what are the other types of weathers are there?
Rainy.
So there are sunny. This is above 80%. Greater than 80% is the sunny. Partial sunny. This should be 60 to 80%. Then cloudy. (40 to 60%). Thunderstorm. (20 to 40%). Then finally rainy. 0 to 20%. What is this percentage? Nothing but understand here. This job, why it came cloudy? Reason behind you can see. Build stability. 1 out of the last 2 builds failed. That means 4 times you ran. Correct. Out of 4 times, 2 times failed, 2 times passed. Then what is the range? As per this.
40 to 60.
Assume guys, you ran 4 times job, correct? Out of 4 times, 2 times is passed, 2 times is failed. What is the probability? 50% only. 50%. Where it should come?
Cloudy.
Cloudy. That's a simple cloudy is there here. Correct. Then this is Sunny is there. Why Sunny? Because one time you run the job, you can see percentage, you can see first of all 100%. This one 50%. That means how many times you run the job, that many times it will pass, it's 100%. If it's failed, for example, 4 times you run, 3 times pass, 1 time only failed. What is the percentage? 4 times you run the job,
75.
out of 4 times, 3 times failed, 1 time only, 1 time failed, 3 times passed. What is the percentage?
75.
75. 75% lies in which range?
Partial Sunny.
Partial Sunny. Okay, like that we can able to forecast the weather. What is the significance of this? Nothing but like why it's failed job. You guys can tell me why the job will fail? Because of the bad code, because of you miswrote something in the Jenkins file, something correct? The code is not accurate. That's the reason fail, job will fail. So that means if it's multiple times it's failed, then you have a guarantee that maybe the way you wrote the code, the way you're performing the activity, it's not the right way. Even if you got the output at the end, but you don't have a stability, right? That means you need to control. That means whenever you have a, I'm saying right, like in the weather, if suppose these two, it's about two are there, right? These two. If these two well known for production, that means Sunny means you better to go with production without any issues, without any problem. You can directly put in the production. Production, if you put up the code in the production, there is no issues will observe. 100% guarantee, because that's the like that the way you wrote the code. But partial Sunny nothing but there might be you may get the issue, there could not be get the issue, but there is no guarantee. But if like kind of 50-50 mindset, like if you want you can deploy it in the production, if you don't want until unless you fix and wait for some more testing and the dev and queue, then you can go for production. That is partial Sunny. But cloudy, strictly no go. That means don't go to the production. If at all you want to deploy anything, do it on the test and QA only. Thunderstorm means in the dev lower environment only, test environment only you can do. That too not to the pre-production also, production also. Rainy, that means don't do anything. Rework on the code first. Then later, once you wrote everything, once you perfect, then only you can go for dev QA production. So generally, think logically. When raining, anybody will go out. Even if you have a planet things also, nobody will go out in the Bengal weather, correct? Even if you have thunderstorm also people won't go. But cloudy, some people will think, even if it's coming rain, we'll go with car. Even if it's coming rain, we'll go with umbrella. Something like that people will think, correct? Partial Sunny means, yeah, nothing, no rain, we can go. Sunny means, yeah, not at all rain won't come. This is summer, no winter, we can go. Correct? That is the way we can define the this one. Weathers. Understood, guys?
Yeah, understood.
Okay. Then I think in 5 minutes left out. In the next class, we're going to discuss about last concept, that is master slave architecture, master slave setup. That might be we can do tomorrow, and we can wind up the Jenkins.
So after Jenkins, what are the concepts are there?
After Jenkins, Maven will be there. Then post that we have a Ansible, Terraform, Prometheus, Grafana. There are plenty more tools are there.
Okay.
We'll watch for completing this month. We'll see.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. Then no questions. We'll wind up. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Bye.
Thank you.